guys, welcome back to Time with Yaya, and today we're going to be painting Hello Kitty and Melody. So let's get into it. Let's start by drawing it. Let's start with a pencil outline. So first of all, I looked up a picture of Melody and she's excited with the basket, so we're going to draw that. The reason why we do this is to not get any mistakes. So far, so good. So we're finished drawing Melody and we're on to Hello Kitty. So let's move the picture up and go to Hello Kitty. And Hello Kitty is joyful, just like how I am right now. Hello Kitty is wearing overalls, my favorite. So we're finished drawing both of them and we're moving on to painting. So I have drawn Hello Kitty and her friend Melody having very good fun together, and they're in like a beach with some palm trees, beautiful palm trees, and like a sun, and half of the sky is going to be, because I'm going to do like an ombre of two different types of blue, and then we're going to do the same thing for the sea. So these two are going to be light blue, these two are going to be dark blue. So make sure you have water and paintbrushes, an easel and some paint. Now let's get into it. So first we're going to have to start with the paint, and we're going to look at Melody first since we've drawn her first. So get a small brush and we're going to have to put some yellow, not a big amount of yellow. Don't pour too much yellow, but we're going to put a little bit of yellow. And when you've got the perfect amount, put your yellow down and put it back. Now get this brush and now dip it into your yellow and then start painting her nose. If you make a mistake, it's alright. Now dip your yellow and start washing the paintbrush. Now, if you're going to look at the red or the pink, either one's fine. Either one's fine. Just pour some in. I think that's a lot. And now I think you need like this brush, a medium-sized brush, like a 1.5 to an 8, I think. And then we're gonna have to paint around it. Okay, we've done that, and we're gonna wash our paintbrush. Oh no, I forgot. So guys, let me tell you what I forgot. I forgot to do the ears in pink, but that's alright because I can get started on it very fast. Okay, so we did that. Now just to wash our 2 paintbrushes down to the last one, and we're going to see. So what we're looking at, we're gonna have to squeeze some white. Even though the canvas is white, I'm still gonna paint the skin white because I don't think it looks nice with just all this on the canvas. I don't think it looks nice like that. So we're gonna paint the canvas and we're gonna paint her skin white. So right now, if yours is not looking just like mine, it's okay. Like I said, everything's fine the way it is. It's how you do it, not how I do it. And make sure you go check out the Cinderella video. And I would love for you to subscribe to my channel because I really want to achieve my goal and get those plaques. So thank you. And if you subscribe, it will bring so much love to me. Make sure you don't color in the eyes because last time I colored in the eyes and you could barely see what I was drawing. Okay, now you have to do that. And if you have more paintbrushes, you're lucky. I think we just need to paint her back. Okay, now we're going on to Hello Kitty. I got the thin paintbrush this time and it's yellow. Okay, so Hello Kitty, we're going to zoom into her. We're going to do her beautiful red bow. Now we're going to put the red in a palette and we're going to carry on. Make sure to not put too much. So now we dip our paintbrush into the red and start colouring Hello Kitty's bow in. Once you finish that, you can either pause the video if I'm going too fast. Now we're going to have to use yellow again. We won't need to get another paint of yellow. So we're just going to get another paintbrush, dip in some yellow, and then we're going to use it for her nose. As you can see, I'm wondering the same question. If you have an answer, please tell it to me because I have no idea if Hello Kitty had a mouth. I have no idea. So her overalls, like I said, my favorite is going to be blue because it is blue. So we're going to have to squeeze some light blue into the paint palette and in it goes. If you guys are having fun, please put a big thumbs up to my video. Thank you, and that would be a lot of love. You're sharing a lot of love to me. Okay, time to wash that paintbrush. Now we're gonna use this big red paintbrush, as you can see, and comment over there, what is your favorite color? Okay, now it's looking so far so good on both of them. Now, like I said, for Melody, I don't like the easel just like that for Melody. I think I'm gonna keep the easel just like that for Hello Kitty, and we're gonna go on to the ish. You just need a little bit because I'm gonna be dabbling like this, so it waves better, and it's gonna look beautiful once you finish. So just get this part of the paintbrush and start dabbing. This might take a while. So guys, I've finished dabbing all of this stuff, and now we're gonna move on with some nice dark blue. Pour some dark blue in, and now we're going to put our paintbrush in, and I don't think we should dab. Should we dab? Yeah, I think we should dab. So guys, I finished all of this, and if yours looks nice, it looks nice. No need to worry. We're gonna do the palm trees. Guys, the reason why I'm using this much paintbrushes is because I don't want to keep going back and forth, washing my paintbrushes and using them again, because I don't want my video to be long. So I recommend you washing your paintbrush and keeping it clean. And if you have only one paintbrush or just a small amount, I recommend you doing that. Thank you. So we're going to paint the palm trees, and if you have a lighter brown, it's fine, because I recommend my brown being so dark. So don't squeeze and put any more brown, just use the leftover brown here and bring it onto the other tree. And what I'm going to do is use green. So I have no idea which green to use, but I'm going to be picking and use this green because it's like nature. So I'm going to use this green for the palm trees. Once you finish putting the green in your paint palette, you're going to pick it up, dip it in, and then you're going to start painting it. Everyone knows the sun is yellow. So now we're going to check our paint brushes and see which one I can use. Okay, the last but not least, we're going to do the sky. I think the sky should be dark blue. Yeah, I think the sky should be dark. And all we're going to do is just paint it down and up, down and up, down and up. Or just down, whatever you recommend. And I'll be changing the colors and mixing this last part. So since I'm mixing it, I like the turquoise one. It looks very nice. And I just mix some green with blue. That's what makes turquoise. So I'm just gonna make different types of greens and blues in the sky, and it'll just look very nice. And for this picture, I would recommend you to make it dry, and then get a picture frame and hang it in your bedroom, wherever you can hang it. To make light green, you mix dark green and yellow together, and that makes a beautiful light green. So I recommend you use anything for the sky, but I'm basically doing an ombre right now. And I love ombres because they go so well together. Did you think? So I just did this type of dark green. Yeah, a really dark green. And I didn't use this green, promise me. I promise that I didn't use that one. And then we're gonna mix that together. And it makes a nice chocolate brown. So brown and white make a nice, beautiful chocolate brown. If you're recommending we do it blue, I'd rather say no, I like a kind of tea because it's not every sky that's blue. I think blue for the sky would be very common. So I'd rather do my own ombre, like I said. Now we've got a really turquoisey blue. Last but not least, crimson. So guys, this is what we have. And I love it, and I hope you do love yours. And like I said at the start of the video, in the middle of the video, your painting doesn't have to be exactly like mine. And I hope you love Hello Kitty and Melody. There's 3 things you have to do before you leave this video. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Love ya. Peace. Thanks for watching Time with Yaya.